Introducing the Wacker Neuson ET90 Tracked Conventional Excavator from Equipment Services and Machinery, where innovation meets construction excellence. This compact yet powerful excavator is designed to take your construction projects to new heights. Its robust construction and cutting-edge technology make it a game changer. Versatile performance. With a 74.3 horsepower engine, it's ready to tackle any job. Compact agility. Maneuver effortlessly in tight spaces with its compact build. Operator comfort. The spacious ergonomic cab ensures long hours on the job feel like a breeze. Fuel efficiency. Save on operating costs with its impressive fuel efficiency. Cutting-edge technology. The ET90 boasts state-of-the-art control systems for precision and ease of use. And ESM is with you every step of the way. Our comprehensive support and maintenance services keep your ET90 running at its best. Your success is our top priority. Elevate your construction game with the Wacker Neuson ET90 Tracked Conventional Excavator. We have good stocks of the ET90 available right now. Call us today to arrange a demo at our ESM Sales and Service Centre at Building 4, 1816 Ipswich Road, Rocklea. You won't be disappointed.